Good morning, this is Guru's Tech Bytes for Sunday, April 26, 2026. First up, a piece making the rounds asks whether the West is now forgetting how to code, following decades of forgetting how to make things. The article argues that outsourcing manufacturing, and now outsourcing software development to AI, is gradually eroding the foundational knowledge that makes real innovation possible. It struck a nerve on Hacker News, pulling in 521 upvotes and 300 comments. Second, an amateur mathematician armed with ChatGPT has reportedly cracked a 60-year-old Erdős problem. Scientific American covers how this non-professional used AI-assisted reasoning to solve something that had stumped the pros for decades. Whether that's a triumph for human-AI collaboration, or simply proof that some problems were waiting for the right nudge, is left as an exercise to the reader. And finally, a developer spent 6 years quietly building their own Kanban tool because, and I quote, "they hated how managers run the boards." The result is a published NPM package called Uko. It only managed 39 upvotes, but anyone who survived a badly run sprint board will understand the motivation entirely. That's your daily bite. Have a great day. Until next time.